What's the meaning of bricklaying? Bricklaying. Bricklaying.
Bricklaying. Bricklaying. Bricklaying refers to the process of laying bricks in a specific pattern and bonding them with mortar to create walls, buildings, or other structures. The end result of bricklaying is a solid and durable structure that provides stability, protection, and aesthetic appeal. Bricklayers must have a good understanding of various bricklaying techniques, as well as the ability to work with precision and attention to detail. Proper bricklaying requires careful planning and execution to ensure that the bricks are laid properly and that the finished product meets the desired specifications.